All right. Spaghetti. All right, what's next? I need a can opener. Let's see. Score. What else? A bowl. Yeah. All right. Finishing touches.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey!
What do you want?
Did you know there's a big black bird sitting in our kitchen?
Yes, that's the Chupa Llama.
Well, what's it doing in there? I can't make my SpaghettiOs.
Trust me, just let it do whatever it wants. Try not to make eye contact.
You serious?
Should probably brush after each meal. Floss twice a day.
But he stole the last can of SpaghettiOs.
He what?